always been interested in cars. I would say that stemmed from my father. He's always been a gearhead. So growing up, we would always talk about cars. The car I have now is actually my uncle's car. He's entrusted it to me. It's a 1932 Chrysler CI6 Coupe. It has parts from Ford on it, parts from a Chevy on it, has Chrysler parts on it, and it's sprinkled with some redneck ingenuity to hold it together. Getting a car like that registered in modern times, that was an ordeal. It's tough to show ownership and history of a vehicle that doesn't have a VIN number on it. And of course, modern DMVs are based all on the car's VIN number. It's a process of going through. You got to prove the car was actually made and the body numbers and chassis numbers match up with what Chrysler's records have from the 30s when the car was built. And you take copies of those and you do frame rubbings and tracings and you prove it to the state, and eventually you get it titled and registered, and then you get to enjoy it. Growing up as a kid, I would take apart toys or cassette players or anything I had. Just a fascination of knowing how things work or why something works. It intrigues me. Even to this day, I'll take something apart and just play with it, look at it, put it back together. At Envoy, I'm a network specialist. I take care of all the computer networks for all the branches here at the corporate office, internet connections, basically any way for a computer or device to communicate with each other. With IT being based here in Houston, I work with vendors and other technicians from other companies. My name is Nicholas Harp. I am a Gearhead and Senior IT Support.